Join me as we provide answer to this question under GCSE past question March 2013 question number 9. Let's deal with this under indices. Let's pick the first one as a exponent 4 times a exponent 5. This is an indices, so we need to have a record of the laws. Number 1 says that if I have a exponent m times a exponent n, it is just a matter of adding the exponent. The same base and multiplying. I will go ahead and add the exponent. The same base a is multiplying. Therefore, a exponent 4 plus 5, which will give you a exponent 9. The simplified version of this per the law. Then for number B, which is also 45, e exponent 6, f exponent 8, divided by 5, e f exponent 2. Because of the division, we can also remember a exponent m being divided by a exponent n will give us the subtraction of the powers. So I can see e, they are dividing the same base. F, they are dividing. Already I know 45 divided by 5 will give me 9. So let's keep it in that order. So 45 divided by 5 is the first one. Then we have e exponent 6 minus the exponent in the denominator, which is going to be 1. Then multiply by f. Let's write it well. This is 1. F. What is the exponent in the numerator? 8. Then minus the down exponent, which is what? 2. I guess we know that 45 divided by 5 will give us 9, right? Good. Then e will come, exponent of 6 minus 1, 5. F, exponent of 8 minus 2, 6. So that becomes the final answer that you are looking for the B part. That is going to be 9 e exponent 5, f exponent 6. All right. Then let's check the C, which we have to write the exact value of 9 exponent 1 out of 2. There are two ways of solving this. We always check if you are having a fraction as your exponent. You look at your base and find out which base or which number will multiply itself, the number of the denominator, in this case 2 times. Which number multiply itself 2 times to give us the base 9. This could be 3 times 3, which is 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 squared give us the 9. Then this in here represent the 9 that we have. But the 9 is carrying an exponent of 1 out of 2. So the brackets give us 9. Then 1 out of 2 is the original exponent that we have. All right. Per our record, we can also see that if I have a exponent m, all raised to the power n, that says that as we just multiply the 2 powers or the 2 indices. So here I'll be multiplying 3 exponent 2 times 1 out of 2. And we see this will multiply 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Therefore, that implies that 9 exponent half will just be 3 exponent 1. So this is what we are asked to find. Or better still, we can also use the property that says that a exponent 1 on n equals to the n root of a. This property, if you have a fraction, the denominator pick the root. So that will also mean that I can say 9 exponent half will be 2 exponent 9, the root of 9. We are saying the 2. When the 2 is here, it's describing the type of root, which is square. And this itself is called square root. So without the 2, we still call it a square root. So we don't write the 2 here for this sake. This means the square root of 9 and that will be 3. If we want to rewrite this, we can write 3 based on our calculator, or we can also say the root of 9 is 3 exponent 2, whereby we know this is a power of half. Therefore, it cancels to give you 3. Any way you pass, your answer will always remain 3. I guess you follow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.